Today, let me recommend the 3 most affordable and most popular home use coffee grinders. Firstly, this one is casting from aluminum steel, so it is quite heavy and have very good performance. And the second one with a bigger hopper, and it is made from plastic. The last one, also the smallest one, it is made from plastic too. Okay. Firstly, let me show you the price of them. Okay, have a guess for the price for all of them. For the smallest one, of course, it is also the cheapest one. The price of it is $60 US. Okay. For the second one, the price of it is $72 US. For the first one, the most durable for using, the price of it is $125 US. Okay. For next, I will show you the performance of all of them. Let's try the first one. We have beans inside, and please mainly focus on the grinding result as well as the grinding sounds, because you will find that the noise of them are very different. It will help a lot for you to make a correct choice. Okay, let's try the first one. We have some beans inside already. Not too much, but enough for testing. Okay, let's connect it over. Let's try the fineness. The noise of it is not very high. Okay, let me show you the fine powder. You can see that the powders are quite fine and very even. We can stably adjust the fineness of it from the finest powder to the biggest coarse. Let me show you by my hand. Okay, you can see this is very good for American coffee. Secondly, let's try this one. Okay, for the second one, we can adjust the grinding time for it. We can increase the time. Okay, let's try it. It will stop automatically. Okay. You will find that the noise of this one is much louder than the first one. Let's show the final result. Okay. You can see it is quite even and quite fine. Of course, you can get coarse powder for American coffee. Okay, let's try the last one. You can also adjust the fineness from here, from very fine to the medium and the coarse. Okay, let's try fine too. Wait for a second. Okay, you will find that the sound of this one is loudest. Let's see the result. It is quite fine. No problem for Italian coffee. And very even. Okay, let's go to the final step, final process. I will show you the weight of all of them. For the first one, it has the quite big adapter. So you can see the adapter size is very big. Okay. We have the small scale, and here we can weigh the weight of it. Be closer, please. You can see only the grinding machine, the weight of it is around 2 kilograms. Because it is fully made from aluminum alloy. And the second one, you can see the weight is 1.6 kilogram. And the last one, the weight is only 0.9 kilogram round. So, actually, in my personal opinion, if you want to have a cheaper one and you don't have too much budget, I recommend you to choose this one. And if you want to have a much more professional grinder with lower sounds, lower noise, and as well as better appearance, I recommend you to choose this one.